Just a few days ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections, the Income Tax Department on Thursday raided the Congress headquarters in Bihar. A lump sum of Rs 5 lakh was found in a car outside Sadakat Ashram in Patna. Income tax teams have been investigating the Congress offices for hours through the day. A notice was pasted at the Congress headquarters. Congress leaders Shakti Singh Gohil and Randeep Singh Surjewala, among others, are being questioned in the matter. IT department is also asking the Congress about the source of funds and who in the Congress party gave cash to this individual. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Thursday released the BJP's manifesto for the Bihar Assembly polls, which promised free COVID-19 vaccine once it has been cleared by the ICMR. The move drew sharp reaction from the opposition, which slammed the Bharatiya Janata Party for politicizing the public health. The announcement drew sharp criticism from the opposition, with Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel accusing the BJP of politicizing the public health. He also said that the poll promise implies that citizens of the states where elections are not being held will have to pay for the vaccine. RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav said that the vaccine should be made free for the entire country and not just Bihar. The Joint Admission Board of JEE Mains has decided to conduct the examination in more regional languages of India, announced Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on Thursday. He added that it is in line with the National Education Policy 2020. He further said that the decision was taken after Prime Minister Narendra Modi pointed out that top-scoring countries in PISA examinations used mother tongue as a medium of instruction. The decision of JAB will help students comprehend questions better and score higher, the minister added. While addressing a webinar on National Education Policy 2020 recently, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank had said that we are not against English, but the mother tongue as a medium of education would help strengthen Indian languages. The government said today that except for the tourist visas, overseas citizens of India, card holders and foreign nationals can visit India for any purpose. The easing of visa and travel comes several months after the restrictions were imposed amid the coronavirus pandemic. The government, in a bid to get air travel back on track, has restored the validity of all the existing visas. The development comes nearly 8 months after they were suspended in the wake of the virus crisis and the nationwide lockdown. The government, under this graded relaxation, has decided to restore with immediate effect all the existing visas except electronic visa, tourist visa and medical visa. Overseas citizens of India and foreign nationals can now enter the country via air or water routes, including flights operated under the Vande Bharat mission or by any non-scheduled commercial flights as allowed by the Ministry of Civil Aviation. The Central Bureau of Investigation interferes with the ongoing local cases, which is an abuse of the state's rights, Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut said today, explaining why the Maharashtra government withdrew the general consent given to the central agency. In the case of a national issue, CBI has the authority to investigate. We had to take this decision because of its interference in the matters of the state already being probed by our police, Raut told news agency. Maharashtra and Maharashtra police have their own rights as per the constitution, and if someone tries to abuse these rights, then the government has to take such decision, the Shiv Sena MP said. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh also justified the state government's move, saying that there was a talk of the CBI being misused. It is a professional and premier investigative organization. The TRP case is being probed by the Mumbai police and a similar case has been registered now in Uttar Pradesh. There may be a ploy to hand over the entire case to the CBI. The CBI should not be used for political purposes. This is what Deshmukh told the media earlier in the day.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.